First, let's take a look at the radical and the cheese in the screen. In Chinese, they have the radical with a chunk in the middle and 4 branches in 2 sides. Mu, mu. The radical has 2 meanings. The first meaning is cheese, and the second meaning is wood. Hun, hun. Now we get back with the cheese. The cheese is surrounded by a frame. What if a cheese is a person? Then this person is stranded, be trapped. Hun, hun. And we get a new word, hun, to be stranded, to surround. And now we're gonna make some compound words come from hun. The first vocabulary we have is hunnan. We have nan is difficult. Hunnan, it is difficult to escape when being stranded.
天气冷，发动很困难。
When the weather is cold, it is difficult to start.
天气冷，发动很困难。
The second vocabulary we have is
困苦，
困苦, tribulation and hardship. Hu means bitter. Hun hu, your life is bitter and stranded. 他同情他的困苦. She sympathizes with his hardships. 他同情他的困苦. The third vocabulary we have is 困扰, be disturbed. 扰 means to disturb. Hunrao, you are stranded by disturbances.
他为谣言所困扰。
He was disturbed by the rumor.
他为谣言所困扰。
The last vocabulary is
混惑,
confused. 惑, to be puzzled. 困惑, you are puzzled by confusion.
我有一点困惑了。
I am little confused.
我有一点困惑了。